Whoa, $500 a month becomes $1 million? This is the math they never taught you. Watch this.
64% of Americans have less than $1,000 saved. Not because they earn too little, because nobody showed them the math. The S&P 500 has returned 10.5% per year since 1957. This long-term trend is the foundation.
Year 5, 39,000. Year 3,000. Year 15, 4 feet, 8,000. Year 30, over $1 million.
Excuse 1, I don't have $500 spare. But the truth is, $500 is built from smaller numbers. Let's break down your daily spending. Lunch, coffee, streaming, and impulse buys. That adds up to $608 hidden in your spending. The Roth IRA is a powerful tool. You invest after-tax dollars, and it grows completely tax-free. At retirement, you withdraw it all tax-free. 2026 Roth IRA limits are in. Under 50, $700 a month is almost the full limit. The 4 best platforms for a Roth IRA: Fidelity for beginners, Vanguard for index funds, Schwab for all 4 are free and take 10 minutes online. The VOO Fund, one fund, 500 top US companies. It holds Apple, Microsoft, Amazon return almost free. This is the one. If your employer matches, this is the first money you invest. Not using the match is leaving free money on the table. Here's the perfect investment priority ladder. Step 1, 401k Roth IRA. Free. This order maximizes every dollar. Can't do $500? No problem. $250 a month can still make you a half millionaire. See? It grows journey starts somewhere. Set it up once, paycheck in, automate it, and auto-invest think about it again. No willpower needed. The system does the work. With DCA, you invest the same amount every month. When the market drops, you buy more shares for the same money. Market dips are on sale. Keep buying. The market crashed 50% in 2008, but by 2013, those who kept investing were ahead. Every crash recovers. Inflation destroys savings. Investing massively beats it. The only risk is not investing. Investor A starts at 25, has 1.13 by 55. At 10-year you wait costs $746,000. Sarah, a 27-year-old teacher, started with $500 a month and she had over $1 million. Just time and consistency. Marcus started late at 38 with just $200 a month. He increased it to $500. It's better than never starting. What is your age and how much are you investing right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one.
High fees silently kill your wealth. VOO costs just $300 a year on $1 million. A managed fund costs $10,000 lost over 30 years.
The 4% rule: withdraw 4% from your portfolio yearly. From $1 million, that's $40,000 a year, or $3,000 while your portfolio keeps growing.
The 1% increase rule:
Year 1, invest $500 a month. Just add 1% more each year.
that's $200,000 more.
The HSA secret:
Triple tax advantage. It's the only one with this power.
even better after 65.
Don't ignore this hidden gem.
As retirement nears, shift your allocation risk is real. Here's the solution. A gradual shift protects you from a crash. The average Social Security benefit won't cover your needs. There's a gap you must cover from savings, but your investment can cover that gap entirely.
Mind blown. Look at this growth. Just $500 from mowing lawns. 50 years of compound for $500 to $62,000. 92% of professional stock pickers lose to VOO over Beat boring. Buy VOO. Win.
The complete formula: $500 a month. This is the entire formula. No stock picks, no market timing. Just these 6 elements.
Waiting for the perfect time is the worst strategy. Look what happens. The market drops, you get scared, and you wait forever. Time in the market beats timing it.
First, build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Then, safety net first. Your emergency fund should earn 4 to 5%, not SoFi's 4.16% as a top pick. All FDIC insured. Rebalance once a year. It takes less than 30 minutes. Check your portfolio. Trim what's grown, add to what's down. Set a reminder. It's that simple. The media profits from your fear, not your wealth. Your only job: keep investing every month.
Married couple strategy: max your Roth IRAs. That's $14,000 after 3 years. Both retire early. The Roth conversion ladder: convert small amounts yearly from your 401k to a 5 years. No 10% penalty. Here's how the ladder works. The $500 challenge. Drop your level in the comments right now. Level 1, open a Roth IRA. Level 3, never stop investing.
If this video helped, hit like right now. It only takes a second and helps spread this to others. Every like makes a difference. Starting at 25, your first milestone is $39 K value. 33, you're a millionaire. Every milestone proves the math is working.
The shocking truth about millionaires: they use boring, consistent strategies, and it works. Boring is the formula. Roth monthly, never stop.
One favor: if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. We post new, valuable videos every week. Subscribe so you don't miss them. The millionaire next door isn't flashy. They drive Toyotas, and look, that's being rich are opposite strategies. Boring investing builds real wealth. Take your spending, multiply by 25. Know your F number. It changes everything. Just $500 a month can get you there in 30 years. 3 actions this week: open a Roth IRA at Fidelity.com. Set up an automatic transfer. Buy VOO and thank yourself later.
This is the math school never taught you. Next week, the shocking reason 90% of Americans won't retire. The 3 mistakes keeping them broke. You need to see this.
If you got value from this video, 2 things. 1, like this video right now. It helps the algorithm. 2, subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks. Welcome to Capital Compass, your true north for personal finance. We simplify it all with a new video every week. Subscribe now.